Hello and welcome to this video on basic electrical and electronics. If you are curious about the fundamentals of electricity and electronics, you are in the right place. In this video, we'll take a quick tour of the syllabus and understand what you'll be learning in this subject. Let's begin. This course is divided into 4 main units. Unit 1, Elementary Electrical Concepts. Unit 2, Measurement of Electrical Quantities. Unit 3, Diodes and Circuits. And Unit 4, Semiconductor Devices and Applications. Each unit is carefully designed to give you a strong foundation in both electrical and electronics engineering. In Unit 1, we begin with the fundamentals of electrical systems. We'll learn what is potential difference, understand Ohm's law, and how temperature affects resistors. We also study the resistance temperature coefficient, which tells us how resistance changes with heat. Then comes the electrical wiring system, where you'll explore different wire gauges and their usage in both domestic and industrial wiring. Next, we dive into energy resources and utilization, covering both conventional sources like coal, hydro, nuclear, and non-conventional sources like solar and wind. You'll also get an overview of how electricity is generated, transmitted, distributed, and utilized. Towards the end of this unit, we explore the difference between AC and DC transmission and understand the concept of power demand, supply, and power factor. Unit 2 is all about measurement. You'll learn how to measure voltage, current, power, and even three-phase power. We'll also study energy meters, which are used to track electricity consumption. Then, we move on to electrical storage devices, including batteries like NEP, Li-ion, and Li-pol types. Finally, you'll get introduced to protection and control devices like MCBs, miniature circuit breakers, MPCBs for motor protection, contactors, both power and auxiliary, and relays, including electromechanical and solid-state types. Now, we enter the world of electronics, starting with Unit 3. First, you'll learn about the PN junction diode, its VI characteristics, how it works as a rectifier, and its specifications. Then, we study different rectifier circuits, half-wave, full-wave, and bridge rectifiers. You'll also learn to calculate values like IDC, VDC, VRMS, IRMS, and even efficiency and ripple factor. Next, we move on to filter circuits, which smooth out the output of rectifiers using components like capacitors and inductors. We also cover the Zener diode and how it helps in voltage regulation. Lastly, we look at some special purpose diodes like LED light emitting diode and photodiode. In Unit 4, we take a deeper dive into semiconductor devices. You'll learn about transistors, their types and configurations, common emitter, CE, common base, CB, and common collector, CC. We explore parameters like alpha, beta, gain, and bandwidth. We also look at BJT operation in 3 regions: cutoff, saturation, and active. You'll understand how BJT works as an amplifier, how it's biased, and how it can be used as a switch. Finally, we wrap up with an introduction to digital electronics, covering the number system, logic gates, Boolean postulates, and De Morgan's theorems. And that's a quick overview of your syllabus in basic electrical and electronics. We'll go through each topic in detail in the upcoming videos, so don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for clear, easy-to-understand lessons. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.